Hello friends. So today we are back with another RPA video. So welcome to .NETCrunch. Let's focus on top 5 RPA tools to learn this year. So all of you whoever have seen my previous video, which was like regarding the skills required to be an RPA developer, are already might be familiar with what RPA is. So um, I'll also try to explain in brief in this video as well. RPA is nothing but a robotic process automation, uh, which is a process of creating bots. Bot is nothing but a software program that help us automate repetitive and mundane tasks without any human intervention. So that is pretty basic definition of RPA. So since like we won't go off topic, the thing which we are gonna cover in this post are top 5 RPA tools or vendors rather, uh, which if you learn will enhance your RPA career. So without wasting any time, let's directly jump to the topic. So these are, as you can see in the image, these are the top 5 RPA vendors. So one is Automation Anywhere, Uipath, Blue Prism, Work Fusion, and Pega Systems. So we'll check these vendors one by one. So Automation Anywhere is provides web-based and desktop automation both. Recently they launched their A2019, which is a web-based digital platform. So they're one of the pioneers of digital workflows. So they offer three products which supports the end-to-end entire automation need of any enterprise or any businesses. So these are like, first is their Automation Anywhere Enterprise, which is a desktop-based application in order to automate your business processes. Second is IQBot. IQBot is nothing but like added one cognitive or intelligence being added to the product. So they have a different module of, or rather a subset of RPA, which involves some classification of the document in using AI and cognitive services. And the third product is Bot Insight. Basically, Bot Insight is nothing but like analytic tool, which is again well versed with their AI capabilities. So AI integrated bots work inside the product. So let's focus on the features provided by Automation Anywhere. Uh, this product offers intelligent automation, as I suggested, using IQBot, and it uses cognitive services. It provides bank grade level security, so it's very help us to have the confidential documents secure. And it can be hosted on cloud or on-prem. It's low-code platform, which is like any business user, irrespective of from coding background, can use it without much hustle. It automates complex and complicated tasks. As I said already, it uses AI and cognitive services using the IQBot product, and it provides real-time reports using IQBot. So it's a complete package which is being offered by Automation Anywhere. Currently, they are leading RPA provider in India. So that's it for Automation Anywhere. Let's move to UiPath. So UiPath is on second number when it comes to RPA. Mm, uh, they strictly compete with Automation Anywhere. UiPath also supports both desktop as well as web-based automation, and the products which are offered by Automation are UiPath Platform, Orchestrator, Robots, and Studio. Studio is where you can, it's like Visual Studio or IDE, which you can create your bots and define the workflow. We won't go much into that detail because this is just an overview video, so we'll cover those things in our later upcoming videos. So let's quickly focus on the features offered by UiPath. UiPath also can be hosted in both on-premises and cloud environments. It offers auto login feature to run the bots. Then scrapping solution that works with any application. It offers the scrapping solutions, working with these technologies, .NET, Java, SAP. It provides support for high range application to work with. Very pretty simple to understand, and it's yeah, as I said, it's simple, and comes with drag and drop functionality. So again, coding, little bit coding knowledge, low code, and anyone who is not familiar with much coding can also work using this tool. So let's move to the next one, Blue Prism. Blue Prism is again third number as per the trends or analysis being done in this year. So it is the third number RPA company, or we can say RPA tool. So it helps enterprises to automate business processes in agile and cost effective manner. So let's quickly check the features offered by Blue Prism. It supports multi-environment development model, offers visual designer with no recorders, scripts or any intervention. It's robust and feature-rich analytics suite. So again, the analytics services like the same which were there in Bot Insight of Automation Anywhere. And it is based on C# programming language and offers drag and drop functionality. Again, a little bit of knowledge is required to use this tool, little bit of coding knowledge, and that is also specific to C# or .NET is required. But again, it's not that mandatory. Any person who is not doesn't know anything about the .NET can also work on this. And yeah, this is Blue Prism is choice when you have to deliver certain project within 4 to 6 weeks, like it's of a short span. Any business process automation which has to be done in which is not that large and has to be completed within shorter span of time, you can go with Blue Prism. That's their USP. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the fourth, that is Work Fusion. Work Fusion has like is automation. It's intelligent automation, or rather automation is their one of the segment. They also deal with other multiple things like business management portals and hell other things. So as far as the post is concerned, we'll only speak about the RPA here. So yeah, it is again a complete automation solution package for global operations. It combines the core capabilities into one platform. So again, the complex business processes like BPO work and all those stuff can be automated using this. So the features it offers are, it uses both RPA and cognitive services. Again, it also uses cognitive services. User can drag and drop pre-built bots. They have templates which can be like for the various business processes. They have created the already templates which comes up with the predefined interfaces. So it is easy to work on those predefined templates. Also, you can create your own custom templates. So automate routing of exception and quality control. So these were the features which are offered by Work Fusion. And the last one in the list is Pega System. So Pega System is Pega System is into like automation is again there one of the segment. Pega is into BPM, business process management, that consolidates architecture based on a business rule management. So again, RPA is there one of the segment. The features offered by Pega are, it captures insight. Again, all the RP tools basically work on capturing AI tools, their cognitive services, and the analytics skills. So again, it offers the same insights. It gets complete details of how the work gets done using the workflow. and it offers open APIs that consistently connects to your existing services. That is the different feature which we can see in Pega apart from the previous vendors. And again, last one, it has an adaptive ability to learn on the fly. So that's it. That's all for this. These are the all top 5 RPA tools which you can learn in this year to enhance or boost your RPA career. If you have any doubt regarding this post or regarding anything you didn't understood in the session, you can always post your comments below, and please let us know how did you like this video, and what are the areas wherein we can improve in order to provide you with more information. So that's it for today. Let's meet in next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.